guys, welcome to our channel Azra and Afrah in Wonderland. Today we are going to make Maggie pizza with my mother. It is a unique dish. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for receiving notification. Last video's question answer is Mercury. 2 packets of Maggie, 3 eggs, chopped garlic, chopped green chilli, grated carrot, fresh coriander leaves. First we will put the Maggie packets. And then add boiled water. And cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's drain the water and filter the Maggie. Next, add all the ingredients to the Maggie. Add little pepper and salt. Add 2 packets of Maggie Masala. Mix it well. The Maggie is mixed well. Next, heat the pan. Add little olive oil or cooking oil. Now we will put the Maggie in the pan. Cover it for 3 minutes. Keep the flame in medium. Flip the Maggie pizza. Add oil for 3 more minutes. Now the Maggie pizza is ready. Put it in a plate. Repeat the same. Now the Maggie pizza is ready. Let's taste it. It's yummy. Try it in your home. You will like it. The Maggie pizza was really nice. Try it in your home. You will like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for receiving notification. So today's question is, what is the largest country in the world? If you know the answer, tell it in the comments below. Bye.